Hi, I'm Jim Tran, Senior Vice President and GM of Mobile Handsets at Qualcomm Technologies. When LG first introduced the Explorer project, we were confident that its bold challenge would be a turning point for LG to present a new and different mobile experience to consumers, and we are thrilled to be a part of the Explorer project. We have actively collaborated with LG Mobile on ways to optimize the performance of the products of the Explorer project that will bring new and different experiences to consumers. And we have worked hard to optimize the performance of our Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset so that consumers can fully enjoy the new and different mobile experiences more reliably and for a longer period of time. We are sure this approach will enrich user experiences in a multitude of ways. And in the future, we will continue collaborating with LG to bring more innovation to the smartphone industry by discovering unexplored segments together.